Super duper English.
Fun on the farm. This is a farm. 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 Many animals live on a farm. What is this? It's a cow. 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 The cows are very big. Cows love to eat grass. And do you know what sound a cow makes? It goes moo. What animal is this? It's a pig. 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 Pigs are quite smart. Pigs like to play in the mud. Oink, oink. Can you make a pig sound? What animal is this? It's a goat. 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 Goats love to eat grass. Baby goats are called kids. What animal is this? It's a lamb. 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 Lambs are the babies of sheep. Lambs love to play and eat grass. What animal is this? It's a chicken. 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 Baby chickens are called chicks. Chickens love to eat corn. What animal is this? It's a dog. 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 Dogs help to protect the farm. Dogs love to eat meat and bones. Woof, woof. Can you bark like a dog? What animal is this? It's a horse. 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 Horses are strong and friendly. Horses can run very fast. Do you know what sound the horse makes? Neigh-neigh. Neigh-neigh. What animal is this? It's a rabbit. 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 Rabbits have long ears. Rabbits can jump and hop. Rabbits love to eat cabbage and carrots. What animal is this? It's a donkey. 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 Donkeys have long ears too. Donkeys can carry many things. Donkeys can walk for a long time. Donkeys like to eat grass. Wow, that was a fantastic journey into the world of farm animals. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Answer the questions. What animal is known for saying moo? A. Pig. B. Chicken. C. Cow. The answer is C. Cow. What animal enjoys playing in the mud and makes an oink oink sound? A. Goat. B. Horse. C. Pig. Correct answer is C. Pig. What are baby goats called? A. Chicks. B. Kids. C. Lambs. The answer is B. Kids. And what is the baby of a sheep called? Yes, it's lamb. What animal's babies are called chicks? A. Dog. B. Rabbit. C. Chicken. It's C. Chicken. Which farm animal helps protect the farm and goes woof woof? A. Horse. B. Dog. C. Donkey. Correct answer is B. Dog. What animal is strong, runs fast, and makes a neigh-neigh sound? A. Horse. B. Dog. C. Rabbit. The answer is A. Horse. Which animal has long ears and loves eating cabbage and carrots? A. Rabbit. B. Goat. C. Cow. It's A. Rabbit. What farm animal can carry many things and walk for a long time? A. Dog. B. Donkey. C. Pig. Correct answer is B. Donkey. You did a great job, guys. Bye-bye.